Hey y'all, Iric Sky here, and not to get overly technical, but the Mavic Air, one of the cool features is that the 4K 30 video utilizes 100 megabit per second reads and writes to the card. Now, don't confuse that with 100 frames per second, but the faster read and write speeds may result in better looking video quality, and to my eyes it looks like it is. But keep in mind, for that faster read and write, it requires a faster microSD card. So I'm going to show you the microSD card that I use for my Mavic Air. There it is, right in there. One thing I hate, one of my few dislikes about the Mavic Air is this back door. It's just so troublesome. So let's eject. It ejected fine, it's just that door gets in the way of being able to grab it with my fingers here. Ugh, it's annoying. It's because that door's in the way, see? Well, don't worry about it, it's just a micro SD card. Check the link within this video's description and you can find the micro SD card like I use. I haven't had any problems with it. And so far with my Mavic Air, I've recorded a ton of videos using 4K 30 at 100 megabits per second. So check the link within this video's description and you can find the micro SD card like I use. And it's not an expensive card either. Thanks for watching and y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Iric Sky here. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to subscribe, like, and share. It's viewers like you that enable my channel to continue to grow. Thank you.